Does your home resemble a tumbleweed graveyard of pet hair? Do you dread the dusty ritual of emptying a traditional vacuum cleaner bag? If so, the Kenmore Intuition BU4050 bagged upright vacuum with its innovative features and sleek rose gold design might be your cleaning knight in shining armor. This review delves deep into the functionalities and potential drawbacks of the BU4050 to help you decide if it's the perfect fit for your cleaning needs. Battling pet hair? Look no further. For pet owners, the constant battle against fur can be a losing one. The Kenmore Intuition BU4050 boasts a unique Hair Eliminator Brushroll. This innovative feature automatically separates hair from the brush roll as you vacuum, preventing tangled messes and ensuring consistent cleaning performance. No more stopping to manually remove hair buildup, just uninterrupted pet hair removal that keeps your home fur-free. Lift-up technology. Cleaning reaches new heights. The lift-up technology is a game-changer when it comes to cleaning versatility. With a simple button press, the canister detaches from the main body, transforming into a lightweight, handheld unit. This lift-up pod is perfect for tackling stairs, furniture, upholstery, and other above-floor areas that are often neglected with traditional upright vacuums. This feature is particularly beneficial for pet owners who need to clean pet hair from furniture and other surfaces. No-touch bag technology, a hygienic and mess-free experience. Let's be honest, emptying a traditional vacuum cleaner bag can be a dusty and unpleasant experience. The Kenmore Intuition BU4050 tackles this issue with its no-touch bag technology. A single button press releases the bag from the vacuum and seals it shut, preventing dust from escaping. This hands-free system minimizes mess and contact with allergens, making it ideal for allergy sufferers and anyone who wants to avoid the dust cloud often associated with emptying a vacuum bag. Powerhouse performance, a dual motor system for effective cleaning. The Kenmore Intuition BU4050 utilizes a powerful dual motor system to ensure effective cleaning on various surfaces. One motor focuses on maintaining strong suction throughout the cleaning process, while the other powers the brush roll for deep carpet cleaning. This combination ensures that dirt, dust, and pet hair are effectively removed from both carpets and hard floors. Designed for easy maneuvering and storage, weighing in at under 14 pounds, the Kenmore Intuition BU4050 is a lightweight and maneuverable vacuum cleaner. Swivel steering allows for smooth navigation around furniture and tight corners, making cleaning less of a chore. Additionally, the LED headlights illuminate dimly lit areas, ensuring you don't miss a single speck of dust. When not in use, the BU4050 conveniently stores all its accessory tools on board, keeping everything organized and readily accessible. HEPA Filtration, breathing easier with cleaner air. For allergy sufferers and pet owners alike, clean air is essential. The Kenmore Intuition boasts an advanced HEPA filtration system that traps 99–97% of dust, allergens, and pet dander down to 0.3 microns. This not only improves the air quality in your home, but also helps to reduce allergy and asthma triggers. The completely sealed system further enhances filtration by preventing dust from escaping during the cleaning process. A few considerations before you buy. While the Kenmore Intuition BU4050 offers a compelling set of features, it's essential to consider some factors before making a purchase. As with most bagged vacuums, you'll need to factor in the ongoing cost of replacing bags. While the no-touch bag technology minimizes mess during replacement, some users might prefer a bagless design for ultimate convenience. Additionally, the swivel steering, while effective, might not be as agile as some high-end vacuum models. The verdict: a strong contender for pet owners and allergy sufferers. Overall, the Kenmore Intuition BU4050 bagged upright vacuum presents a strong option for pet owners and allergy sufferers who prioritize clean air and a mess-free cleaning experience. The innovative features, such as the Hair Eliminator Brushroll and lift-up technology, address common pain points for pet owners. The dual motor system provides effective cleaning for both carpets and hard floors, while the no-touch bag technology and HEPA filtration minimize contact with allergens and dust. While the bag design requires ongoing bag replacement costs, the convenience features might outweigh this for some users. If you're looking for a powerful, user-friendly vacuum cleaner with innovative features designed to make cleaning easier and healthier, then the Kenmore Intuition BU4050 is worth considering. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.